right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my last and final Sandlot bat. This is number 5. So we'll check the time, April 4th at 10:42 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have April 4th at 10:42 p.m. There is the list of our 17 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. Maybe. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Robert. Spot 14 is your winner. So, Robert, please message me to collect your bat. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, April 4th, 10:43 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.